These three options are designed to help you save money while still providing the flexibility you need. Spot instances allow you to bid on unused cloud capacity at a lower price, which can be a great way to handle sudden spikes in demand without breaking the bank. Savings plans offer a way to commit to a certain amount of usage over time in exchange for lower rates. Lastly, reserved instances let you reserve capacity for a longer period, ensuring you have the resources you need at a predictable cost. Think of it like choosing between different types of tickets for a concert. You can go for a last-minute deal, a season pass, or a reserved seat, depending on your needs and budget. In summary, selecting the right option among these three can help you optimize costs while maintaining the flexibility your startup requires. Spot instances are a cost-effective choice because they utilize short-term, unused X2 capacity. This means you can run your applications at a lower price, but there is a catch. Since these instances can be interrupted at any time, they are best suited for flexible workloads that can handle sudden changes. Think of it like catching a bus that only comes when it's not full. You get a great deal, but you might have to wait or find another way if the bus leaves unexpectedly. On the other hand, reserved instances require a long-term commitment, typically for 1 or 3 years. They offer a fixed cost and guaranteed capacity, making them ideal for production workloads where stability is crucial. It's like renting an apartment. You pay a set amount each month and know you have a place to stay. In summary, spot instances are great for cost savings with some risk, while reserved instances provide stability for long-term projects. Savings plans offer a flexible option for managing your compute usage. This means you can receive discounts without being tied to a specific instance type. Imagine you have a multi-as setup where you're running different types of workloads. For example, you might use spot instances for background batch jobs, which can save you money because they are often cheaper. At the same time, you would use reserved instances for your critical web servers, ensuring they are always available when needed. Now, savings plans come into play by optimizing costs across your overall compute usage, giving you the flexibility to adapt as your needs change. Think of it like a gym membership that allows you to use different types of equipment without being restricted to just one. In summary, savings plans provide a way to save on costs while maintaining flexibility in your computing resources. First, we will launch these instances. The spot instance is interesting because it can be dynamically terminated and relaunched based on availability and pricing. On the other hand, the reserved instance is always available for us to use, providing a more stable option. Additionally, we will activate a savings plan at the organization level. This plan helps us save on costs, and you will see the discount reflected in our billing. To validate our setup, we will check CloudWatch metrics and the billing dashboard. This will help us ensure everything is functioning as expected. Think of it like having a flexible subscription for a streaming service. You can watch shows anytime with a standard plan, but with a flexible plan, you might miss out if demand is high. In summary, we will launch both instances, activate the savings plan, and validate our results through monitoring tools. One frequent error is using spot instances for critical workloads. Spot instances are great for flexible tasks, but they can be interrupted, which isn't ideal for important applications. Another mistake is selecting the wrong region or type for reserved instances. This can lead to wasted resources and higher costs. Lastly, many forget to activate their savings plans, which can help reduce overall expenses significantly. To ensure you are using these options effectively, remember, use spot instances for flexible workloads, reserved instances for steady-state needs, And always activate your savings plans to optimize costs. Think of it like planning a road trip. You wouldn't choose a sports car for a long journey if you need reliability. Instead, you'd pick a comfortable sedan. In summary, balancing cost and flexibility with spot, reserved, and savings plans is crucial for effective cloud management. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what cost optimization topic you'd like to explore next.